Hello good people, it's your girl Kantali here. Thank you so much for clicking. If you are a new subscriber, you're welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome and welcome. So in today's video, as you can see from the title below, I'm going to be showing you guys my skincare routine. I hope you enjoy this video, and if you do, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, of course. Also turn on your post notification bell so that you do not miss out each time I post anything. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So the first ingredient for our skincare routine is this wonderful ingredient. This one. It's very good, you guys. So what I do is I put a little bit on my palm. So right now I'm just adding a little bit of baking powder on my palm. Just this much. I hope you can see. Yeah, just this much. And then I add a little bit of water. Yeah. This is how we are looking. I'll be going to wash it off soon, very soon. So yeah, I hope you're enjoying how I'm looking. I hope you're not laughing. Oh,
I hope you're not laughing. Oh, Emeka, are you laughing at me? I beg.
Okay, I'm now going to wash. I'm gonna I said entering my eye. This thing is burning my eye. So as you can see, after it dries up, it's going to give you these. It'll start falling off. Hello, so I'm now going to wash my face. Yeah, I'm now going to wash my face. It has dried up, as you can see. Look, it's falling off. You can see. Can you see that? Can you see that? Yeah, it's falling off. Yeah. This girl is on fire. This girl is on fire. This girl is on fire. Fire. Okay, now I'm going to wash it up. Bye. Washing my face, and now the skincare routine is not yet done, you guys. Don't go away. The skincare routine, it's still on. It's just the face part. Okay, if you want your skin to glow, you have to do this. It's a must. You just have to do this. So the next step is, so I wipe my face. I'm not yet done, and my skin is already glowing. It's glowing. It's giving me that glow. It's giving me that glow that I need. So yeah, we are not yet done. We are not yet done. So this is the second part now. This is the second part. We are not yet done. If you want your skin to glow, please follow these steps. So now we have honey. Yay! Honey. So guys, this is my everyday skincare routine. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did enjoy this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. I really want to appreciate you guys for your love and support in my previous videos, for all your comments, for all your love that you showed me. Please continue showing me this love, continue supporting me, continue sharing my videos. Thank you so much for watching this video. You can definitely try this skincare routine. It has worked for me and I hope it works for you too. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.